you're watching Glow Glam Glitter. Today I am going to review the most affordable lipstick I found in Nykaa, which is none other than the Insight Matte Lipstick, which is coming with long wear, true color composition. So yeah, we will see if all these things that this brand is saying is true or not, and along with that we will swatch. I have only one shade that only I will swatch, and of course I will surely let you know how much it cost and if you should buy this or not. So keep watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Well, first thing is packaging. Packaging wise, when it is something with 80 rupees, my goodness, it has come up with a super nice packaging. So the outer cover looks like this and the thing is looking something like this. The clip is also good. Maybe the quality of plastic is not extremely good like a luxe. Anyways, you cannot expect a luxe finish from a thing which is just coming in 80 rupees. So yeah, I think it is good to go. The second thing, it is telling you in this packaging, like, it is super long lasting. I have used it for 3 to 5 hours. So if you are not having anything in these 3 to 5 hours, it is good. It won't come out or anything, but yeah, if you are having something oily food or any masala kind of food, it will surely come out. There is no exception. And with one kiss, it just comes out in this level. It is not highly transferable, but yeah, of course it is transferable. Well, the third thing, it says like it glides flawlessly. So I have already swatched it on my hand for one time. Again I will swatch it. So it literally glides flawlessly and gives the one stroke application, gives a very good color payoff in one stroke application. So again, this is tick. Well, this is the shade I am wearing right now. This shade is called A3 Cherry Wine and the quantity is 4.2 grams. So a full size product in 80 rupees with such good qualities are always good to go. But caution, it is having paraben inside this. So if you are someone who does not like paraben, then it is not for you. I just wanted to have this shade because I love this shade. This cherry wine, I am running out of this shade anyways in my collection. That's why I bought it, and I found it in a very affordable price. So I thought, why not to try this one and share with you. So if you are searching for something with quite affordable amount, then this is of course for you. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know whatever you think. If you have tried this one, then also you can let me know. You can post your pic in Instagram or my Facebook page. I will surely give all the links in the description box, so you can connect with me and let me know what you think and whatever you think about my videos and all. Or if you want to know something about any specific brand or any specific product, just let me know. If it is there in my collection, I'll surely give it a try to present to you how I felt about this. So yeah, I will log off for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.